Hoy! Mahahalagang mahilig sa langis. Today, we're highlighting Radix Bupleurii essential oil, extracted from the roots of the Bupleurum plant, scientifically known as Bupleurum chinense. This oil is produced through steam distillation of the dried roots, ensuring that all the beneficial properties are preserved. Known for its potential therapeutic benefits, Radix Bupleurii essential oil is ideal for traditional Chinese medicine, aromatherapy, and natural health products. It supports liver health, aids in mood and stress management, and enhances emotional well-being. Sa pabrika ng mahahalagang langis, sinisiguro namin ang pinakamataas na kalidad sa pamamagitan ng masusing pag-sourcing, standardized na mga pamamaraan ng pagkuha, at mahigpit na pagsubok para sa kadalisayan at potensi. Embrace the natural benefits with us.